Hi folks, I'm Mark with Artisan Restoration, and yesterday we started a project on Big Sandy Lake that was a log cabin I designed and built 25 years ago. We're in the kitchen here, and this is I think it's an 18 by 16 log cabin that I got from Stetsonville, Wisconsin. And we joined it together with the other cabin from Lake Mills by using basically it's a large spline that gets spiked to the wall, and then we use mortises on the ends of our logs to join it together, and don't have any fasteners showing. So anyway, the flooring is all old barn boards, and it looks like we actually used square nails. This part here has got a summer beam. It looks like it's an 8 by 10 going down the center of it, and our floor joists are actually 6 by 8 timbers that are about 4 feet on center, and to do that we had to use tongue and groove 2 by 6s, and I think we actually got these from a demolition company in Mankato. Over here we got on this end there's an interior wall that now divides the bathroom and the bedroom, and I wish I could take credit for this cool door here, but it's actually designed with a small amount of slope to the door, so it actually closes by itself. So anyway, bathroom here's got all the luxuries of indoor plumbing, and really furnished with old fixtures, and looks really like they belong here. The stairs here, we used a kind of a winder tread here. It's kind of similar to what you see with spiral stairs, because it takes up less floor space that way. And we ended up having to run it in front of that window over there, so they just put a stained glass window in there and downsized it a little bit. But upstairs on this cabin has a really tall knee wall, which is an advantage because you can put beds against the wall up there, and the headboards don't interfere or hit the ceiling. So this is all covered with barnwood up here, and then we did a dormer on the side towards the lake, so you can enjoy the view from the upstairs. This is all old shiplap from the floor of an old barn, and our timber up there, I'm not sure if it's engineered big enough, but it looks like it's just a big old 8 by 8 or 8 by 10. Now, anyway, the other stuff I wanted to point out was in the basement, where we used reclaimed floor joists and reclaimed I-beams to frame the main floor. And I got these from a guy in Mankato who runs a demolition company, and there's 1, 2, 3 of them down here that support the whole floor. And it looks like we even used reclaimed boards for the subfloor. And I was right, the floorboards up above are nailed with square nails, because I can see the square nail sticking through the floor down here. Anyhow, that's the project that I did for Mike and Marilyn Miller in the year 2000. So glad to share it with you. Thanks for coming along. Bye.